to earn hundreds of dollars. Just go to this website, register, and start using the application. You may presently earn up to $20 in free PayPal money per minute with this revolutionary program. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate a free method that only needs your computer to get starting and doesn't require any other requirement. But first, a brief warning. The next video will be organized step by step, so be sure you don't miss any of the instruction. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. We therefore have the first app right in front of your display. Now the major application and the first application I'll be showing you in this video is this website. The website has been operating for a while, and during that time they have actually provided really nice rewards and really nice cash out options. The best part is that you can earn rewards on your phone or the web with surveys, cashback, and many other things. They provide PayPal a nearly every cash out option. The software is now accessible in both the Google Play Store for Android and the Apple App Store for iOS. Since this began in 2012, they have paid out more than $5.8 million, making it appear as though they have been in operation for more than 9 years. That is a significant amount of time, and it really demonstrates a company's trustworthiness. Now that they've given out millions of dollars in prizes for their members, if you have a minute to kill in line, make the most of them by using this website. As a result, you can scratch to quickly earn 50,000 points using the iOS and Android devices. Instant contests are also accessible. You can see here that you can actually start earning money by finishing surveys. As a result, you can start accumulating points by giving us your thoughts and by responding to our questions. You can even earn cashbacks by scrolling down, so you may purchase at your preferred retailers and use our website to earn hundreds of dollars in cashback. Currently, several of the most popular applications to which I have often made references on this channel lack the cashback option, although not as many as this one. Some websites do provide cashback possibilities. You will actually receive 50% cashback at some of the retailers thanks to this. Not all of them, but some of them, but generally speaking, you may anticipate receiving 10 to 20% cashback on each and every transaction you make using the program at various retailers. Additionally, you can download applications and accrue points. This is currently my favorite method of making money, in my opinion. Why? First of all, you can actually obtain some excellent games via this way, play them, and earn money while doing so. You're essentially earning points by playing games, but if you're having fun playing a game, you won't stop from 1 or 2 hours. It will cost between 60 and 70,000 points, which is substantially sum of money. So far, this application's referral scheme is unquestionably my favorite way to earn money. So, in the referral program, all you have to do is tell your friends about future points, and you'll get paid up to 50% each time they accrue points for life. This is a referral scheme, and it is quite simple to use and doesn't call for any special following or support. You can inform your friends and relatives about this program and say something to the effect of, "Hey, if you want to make money online as a novice, well, then this application is honestly excellent for you." Anyone should sign up because it's free money. So why wouldn't they? They can earn this money while standing in line and just before going to sleep. This is free money, and it will continue to accumulate. You receive half of your friends' earnings throughout your life, and as you scroll down, you can see that you can exchange your points for awesome rewards like Amazon gift cards, PayPal gift cards, App Store gift cards, Xbox gift cards, PlayStation gift cards, Starbucks gift cards, Bitcoin, and many more options. Additionally, they have a 4.5 out of 5 rating based on 1,147 reviews. So I would say that this website is profitable. So before we move on to app number 2, check out this website at featurepoints.com. Then download this app and then let me know how it went. It's going to go really well. Follow our advice to the letter to start making money online. Okay, let's go on to app number 2 now. Therefore, the second app is Timebox.com. Now, Timebox is a different outstanding program that has been around for a while and provides some entertaining ways to generate money. So posting on Facebook is a simple way to get money. You will now be prompted to publish various types of content, and after you do so, you will actually start earning money. You'll also get paid to see amusing slide displays. And finally, you'll get paid to play video games. In addition to earning money by installing applications, you can also earn money by doing micro tasks for number 5. In essence, you'll be compensated for actions like following someone on Instagram in their application, loving a specific tweet, or following someone on Twitter. After that, you can also choose to complete surveys, which will allow you to do both while earning money. So it is undeniably extremely simple. Daily benefits are provided to you. Earnings are immediately available. A referral program is also available. There is a weekly reward as well. There is nothing too complicated, and our support team is nice. Overall, this sounds too good to be true. I know some people who have actually made some money with this by simply using it occasionally, and then after a year or so, when they went to check the balance, they actually saw quite a lot of money. This can also happen to you because, in the end, that is what this application are meant to achieve. You are not required to cash out each and every day. Then you'll feel like you have a lot of money that you can spend, since if you cash out every day, you won't experience the true power of the money that is there. You can choose to only cash out once every 6 months, for example. So after a while, you should surely cash out. The only way to guarantee that you genuinely make a lot of money and receive a lot of money in your account is not every single day. When you're ready, you'll need to sign up on Timebox.com first. After that, you can easily download their application and begin earning money, since during crisis, when there is so much going on, people practically lose everything they own. You should thus use this technique, test out these various software programs, and browse these various websites. This is truly groundbreaking because it is not only enables you to provide employment for your friends and family, everyone needs a job in these hard times, but it also enables to support yourself and make some extra cash so that you can meet your other financial goals, which is purchasing a home, a car, or providing assistance to others. Everything is up to you. Simply making sure you have the resources is all I have to do. Learn how to make money online, because that is what we eventually desire and what this channel is all about. In conclusion, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me in the comments area below. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.